Welcome, beautiful souls. This is Nature by Naira's Art.
Welcome, beautiful souls. Today we're going to talk about astrology placements, Pluto in Virgo.
Hello everyone. Have you already looked at your own birth chart? Don't let this system fool you. Don't let the system that promotes idolatry and evil spells tell you what's right and wrong. Today I want to talk about Pluto in Virgo placements in the birth chart. It's the planet of transformation, survival, shadow work, self-reflection, and rebirth. People with these placements love details. They set high standards for themselves and others and can often criticize themselves if things don't go right the first time. They are spiritual healers. Change can be difficult for people with these placements. It has to sound and look logical for them to accept change. They enjoy supporting and helping others. They are fixers and teachers and can burn out if they don't stop themselves to rest. Think of mind, body, soul fitness with this placement. They are often the people who advise you to stop eating meat. They are curious about acquiring more knowledge. They always think in terms of solutions. Letting go and fear of illness. These are lessons learned in this life. Let go more quickly. Don't help everyone, help yourself first. Stop being so self-critical. It doesn't have to all happen at once.
Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.